Welcome to The True Lesson. Hello friends. Today we are solving question number 7 from our exercise 8.1 from trigonometry. Okay, let's see the question first. Question number 7 is, if cot theta equals to 7 by 8, evaluate these two terms, means 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. And second, we have to find cot square theta. Okay, let's start it. We had already written here cot theta is 7 by 8 given. To find these two values. Let's start it. Before starting, we will draw a right triangle, triangle ABC, ABC, right angle at point B. Now since theta is given in the question, no, see cot theta, sin theta, cos theta, cot square theta. Since theta is given, we can select any of the acute angle as angle theta. Means we can take angle A as theta or we can take angle C as theta. We are taking angle C as theta. Okay, now since cot theta is given, first we will write a small table. Come on guys, what is a small table? P, B, P and HH, B. Correct? Okay, first one is for sin, second one is for cos and third one is for tan. And their reciprocal for cot, reciprocal of cos is sec and reciprocal of sin is cosec. Okay, since cot theta is given, we are going to use this relation, base upon perpendicular. So, we will write cot theta is equals to base upon perpendicular is equals to, let's decide base. Since theta is given, we can easily decide base and perpendicular. Side opposite to angle theta is perpendicular, means AB is a perpendicular. Side opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse, means AC is a hypotenuse, and the remaining third one or side adjacent to angle theta is a base. So BC is a base. Correct? Now according to question, cot theta is given, we will write base upon perpendicular, means BC upon AB. So BC upon AB. What is the value given in the question? It's 7 by 8. Correct? In our previous questions, we had already discussed that whenever ratio is given, we are taking a positive number k to decide the sides. Okay, so take positive number k and we will write the sides. BC is equals to 7k and AB equals to 8k. Now, what about the third side? We have to find it. First write it. BC is 7k. We are writing in the diagram 7k. AB is 8k. So write 8k here. Now we will find hypotenuse. How can we find the third side in a right triangle? By Pythagoras theorem. Good. So by applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, we will get the relation AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. This AC square we have to find. Okay, so write it as it is. Put the values of AB and BC here. AB is 8k. So write 8k here. What about BC? It's 7k. Write 7k here. Okay. Now the square of 8 is 64. K square. And the square of 7 is 49. K square. When we add them, we will get 113 k square. So our AC will be root 113 k. Correct? In this way, we'll get the third side AC. We'll write in the diagram AC is root 113 k. Okay. Now, which values we have to evaluate? 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. So let's write sin theta, cos theta first. Okay. Now, what about sin theta? Sin theta is, from the small table we can decide, sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now what is perpendicular in our diagram? AB. Which side is hypotenuse? AC. Let's put the values of AB and AC here. AB is 8K and AC is root 113K. Correct? K and K get cancelled. We'll get the value for sin theta. Now let's write the values of cos theta. It will be base upon hypotenuse, no? So in our diagram, base is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Base is 7K and hypotenuse is root 113K. K and K get cancelled. In this way we'll get cos theta. In our next relation we need cot theta, no? So write cot theta here. Cot theta as given in the question, 7/8. Okay? Or by diagram we can write also base upon perpendicular, means BC upon AB will get the same relation, 7/8. Okay? Now we'll evaluate the first value. What we have to find? 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Correct? Let's put the values. 1 plus, what is the value of sin? We can see on the screen, 8 by root 113, and for cos 7 by root 113. Let's write it, 8 by root 113, and here 1 minus 8 by root 113, upon, for cos we will write 1 plus 7 upon root 113, 1 minus 7 upon root 113. Let's solve it. I think guys you know a relation for a plus b and a minus b. If you remember, we are learning a formula in mathematics, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Remember? So let's apply this formula here. The solution becomes easy. 1 plus 8 by root 113, 1 minus 8 upon root 113. So a is 1, b is 8 upon root 113. So apply the formula, a square minus b square. Correct? In denominator also we can apply the same formula, 1 square minus 7 upon root 113 square. Okay? Let's solve it. 1 minus, when we take the square of 864 and root 113 square is 113 only, upon 1 minus 7 square is 49, root 113 square is 113. Okay, now take the LCM. We will get 113 minus 64 upon 113 minus 49. Correct? Solve it. 113 get cancelled. We'll get the relation 49 upon 64. Means the value of first term will be 49 upon 64. It will be our first answer. Got it? Now for second. Second question is calculate cot square theta. Okay. We can write it as cot theta square like this. Okay, now put the value of cot theta given in the question. It is 7/8, no? We can see in the diagram also cot theta 7/8. Okay, so let's put the value of cot theta and take square of it. We will get the answer 7 7s are 49 upon 8 8s are 64. It is our answer for second question, which is cot square theta. Okay, in this way, by calculating 3 sides of the right triangle, we can calculate all the trigonometric relation, sin theta, cos theta, cot theta, and we can evaluate the values according to the question. Okay, first answer is 49 by 64 and second is cot square theta equals to 49 by 64. Both answers are same. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you liked our content. Please subscribe our channel The True Lesson and like the video. Hit the bell icon if you want to get notified for the new content. And thank you. Till then, revise it. See you soon with the next question. Okay guys, thank you. Bye-bye. For more such videos, just subscribe our channel The True Lesson. Comment us and for further notification, just hit the bell icon.